And welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common issue with Samsung washing machine. The spin cycle not working. So this can be a frustrating issue, but fear not, we are here to help you. So let's get started. Firstly, let's check the child lock is on or not. If the child lock is on, the spin cycle is not working. So turn it off. You will see here in the control menu a monsoon and a function key. So when you press this both key at the same time for 3 seconds, you will see the child lock is enabled. Now you will see here the child lock is enabled. So when you see this icon is blinking on your display, so it means the child lock is enabled. So disable it, you will again press these keys for 3 to 5 seconds and then you will see your child lock is turned off. After that, you will click on start button to start the spin cycle. So if the child lock was not the problem, the next step is to check the power supply. Make sure the washing machine is plugged in the circuit breaker and has not tripped. So to do, you can simply move to the power supply and here switch off the board and unplug the power cord and then replug in and then switch on the board again. After that, click on the power supply button to start your washing machine. Okay. After that, if the power supply is fine, let's move on the next step. So the next thing is we need to check if the lid switch. This switch ensures that the lid is closer before the spin cycle. Press it with your hand if the washing machine starts spinning and the switch is the problem. You will need to replace it. So now we move to our next step. So you can simply check the motor. The motor can burn out and seize up, which will prevent this spin cycle from working. To check the motor, use a multimeter to test the continuous. So if the motor has no connectivity, it needs to be replaced. So if none of the above steps work and solve your problem, it's time to call a professional. So you can simply contact the Samsung customer care service for further assistance. You can contact them by using a call, message or a live chat. And after that, they will send an engineer at your home within 24 to 48 hours. So be patient. And after that, they will examine your washing machine and then see the bug and fix it. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.